Chapter 4. More on Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processor program. It can be used to write letters, poems, stories, etc. It has many additional features too. To start MS Word, the steps are: click on Start button. Click on the All Programs. Click on the Microsoft Office. Click on the Microsoft Word. Components of MS Word. 1. Title bar. This is on the top of the window. It shows the name of the present document and program name. 2. Menu bar. The menu bar displays the various menu options. On clicking any option, a drop-down menu will appear. 3. Standard toolbar. This toolbar contains all the standard buttons that help to work with Microsoft Word. 4. Formatting toolbar. This toolbar contains various tools that help in formatting the content written in the document. 5. Document window. It is the window in which the work is written. 6. Cursor. This is the vertical line that moves from left towards right as the text is typed. 7. Scroll bars. These are the bars, horizontal and vertical, that help to move the. These are the bars, horizontal and vertical, that help to move to the part of the page that is not visible on the screen. Vertical scroll bar is used to move the document up or down. Horizontal scroll bar is used to move the document page right or left on the screen. Vertical scroll bar. Horizontal scroll. 8. Status bar. This bar appears at the bottom of the window and displays the page's number. Line number. 9. Drawing toolbar. This toolbar is located above the status bar. It has tools that help in drawing. 10. Ruler. The ruler appears just below the formatting toolbar. It provides the size of the document that is being used. It also has provided working with MS Word. MS Word can be used for a variety of tasks. Here, the basic tasks will be discussed. Making changes to a document is called editing. To perform editing, text must be selected or highlighted. Selecting or highlighting text. Selecting means highlighting. To perform any changes on the text that has been typed, it must be selected. To select text, position the mouse at the start of text to be selected and drag the mouse. Hold the left mouse button and move until the text to be selected is highlighted. After selecting the text, following things can be done. Step 1. Select a line or a paragraph. Step 2. From the standard toolbar, click on the Cut button. Step 3. The selected text will disappear. Step 4. Place the cursor at the place where the text is to be inserted. Step 5. Click on Paste button. The text appears at the new location. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on Copy button on Standard toolbar. Step 3. The text will remain as it is. Step 4. Place the cursor at the place where the text is to be inserted. Click on Paste button. The text appears at the new location also. Formatting the text. Formatting means changing the style, color, and size of the text. Changing the font size. Font style is used to change the way the text appears. In MS Word, there are many font styles available. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click Font List box on the Formatting toolbar. Step 3. Choose the appropriate font style from the drop-down list. Changing the font size. Font size refers to the height of the text. To change the font size, Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click Font Size box on the Formatting toolbar. Step 3. Choose the appropriate font size from the drop-down list. Changing the font color. Font color refers to the color of the text. To change the font color, Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click Font Color box on the Formatting toolbar. Step 3. Choose the appropriate font color from the drop-down list. Making the text bold, italic, or underlined. These three buttons in the formatting toolbar are used to make the text bold, italic, or underline. Bold, underline, italic. Step 1. Select the text to be made bold. Step 2. Click on button on the formatting toolbar. Borders and shading. A border is a box around a paragraph or word page. A border can include shading. It can be black or of any color selected. Borders and shading can be applied on the Step 1. Click on Format menu. Step 2. Click on Borders and Shading. The Borders and Shading dialog box appears. Step 3. Select Page Border option from the dialog box. Step 4. Select the desired style and finally click on OK button. Select the box radio button. Click on the OK button. Alternatively, you may use the border and shading icon from the formatting toolbar to select Step 1. Select the text to which you want to apply word art. Step 2. Click on Insert menu. Select the picture menu. Step 3. Click Word Art option or select from Drawing toolbar. The Word Art dialog box appears. Step 4. Select the desired style. Step 5. Click on the OK button. Step 6. A window appears. Type the desired text. Step 7. Click on the OK button. The text appears in word art style. Clip art. Using clip art option, you can insert pictures in your documents. The Step 1. Take your cursor to the location where image is to be inserted. Step 2. Select the Insert menu. Click on Insert menu. Select the Picture menu. Step 3. Click on Clip Art or select from Drawing toolbar. Step 4. Select the Organize Clips link. Select any picture from the Clip Art window that appears. The image will be inserted in the slide. Select the item. Select the businesses, computers, computing 252W multiplied 257H pixels, 13 KB WMF item.